Today I will tell you about the road buildings around DDP and the excavation method used in DDP. Good morning city, hello APM, 밀레오레 and Duta are adjacent to 흥인문로, the northwestern road of the DDP. It is located near 마장로 in the northeast. Baxter is located in the southeast along the back road of the playground. 한양 Technical High School, Seoul Metro, and Ulji로 in the south. On the lower part of Uljiro, Seoul Subway Line 2 passes, and the Seoul Subway Line 4 to the right. The state of the stratum in this area consists of the landfill layer, sedimentary layer, and weathering soil, permafrost rock, and base rock, and the weathering belt is generally deeply formed. Let me explain the excavation sequence used in DDP. First, the mud wall consisting of the sump pile and mud plate is drilled while supporting it with strut and saw nail. Let me explain term piles, strut, saw nails. What is term pile method? It is a technique to insert an H-pile at regular intervals and excavate it with a machine and insert an earth plate between the H-piles to support the excavation wall. Some pile construction order is to install some pile, next excavation, and install the earth plate. This method has the advantage of simple construction and short construction period, but the disadvantage is that ground with high groundwater cannot be applied. What is the strut method? After the formation of the earth barrier, the earth pressure on both sides is balanced to support and excavate the earth barrier with a horizontal support is strut. First of all, we are going to build a wall of mud and then we are going to do the first digging. Next, install post pile, install first strut, and dig second turret. Then install the two-stage strut and do the third turret. After laying down the foundation concrete, remove the two-stage strut and then fill it up on the second basement floor. Finally, remove the first stage strut and fill it with concrete on the first basement floor. The advantages are small in size and effective for flat surface, and if the site is large, the use of split excavation techniques increases stability, increases material reliability, and allows for free cross-section planning. But the disadvantage is that there are concerns about the occurrence of buckling, and the area of excavation is affected, and the flow of the joint occurs significantly. What is soil nailing? To withstand tension and shear force on the soil surface, the nail reinforcement is inserted into the soil surface, and the entire soil surface is reinforced by acting as a lump. The advantage is that it has excellent water quality, cheap construction cost, retaining walls can be built, and rapid slope construction is possible. The disadvantages are that it is difficult to predict the effect of freezing, difficult to construct wall drainage, and the horizontal displacement is larger than the pre-stressed archer, so construction management and quality control are relatively difficult. Second, in the excavation sequence, excavate and support the H-pile plus CIP mud wall with ground anchor and strut. It is a method of drilling with auger filling H-beam and lever and then pouring concrete to form piles. The third step in the construction sequence is to excavate and support the earth-shielded walls consisting of shotcrete with a foil. Shotcrete is a method of spraying concrete on the rock surface using compressed air. The final process is to predict the area with 1.2 natural gradient while protecting the area with shotcrete. Natural gradient is a construction method that creates a stable slope so that soil does not flow down without the soret work. We will explain the PRD construction next week. Thank you for listening to my presentation.